It's nighttime on the farm. Help me find the animals with my flashlight. Look! There's a silhouette over there. What animal could it be? It's a cow! Cow! Repeat after me. Cow. They can recognize and remember their human friends and other cows for many years. They spend almost all day chewing grass to stay healthy. They give us their milk, which helps us grow with very strong teeth and bones. Look! There's a silhouette over there. What animal could it be? It's a horse! Horse! Repeat after me. Horse. They can sleep standing up without falling over. Their eyes are some of the largest among animals that live on land. They run very fast, almost as fast as a car. Look, there's a silhouette over there. What animal could it be? It's a pig! Pig! Repeat after me. Pig! They are very clean animals, even if they like mud to stay cool. They have an incredible sense of smell, better than many dogs. They are very smart. They can even learn tricks, like sitting. Look! There's a silhouette over there. What animal could it be? It's a donkey! Donkey! Repeat after me. Donkey! They have very large ears to hear sounds from far away. They are famous for being hard workers and helping carry things. They have an excellent memory and never forget a path. Look! There's a silhouette over there. What animal could it be? It's a sheep. Repeat after me. Sheep. Their wool never stops growing. It's like their natural coat. They love to always be around their sheep friends. Their eyes let them see almost everything around them without turning their heads. Look! There's a silhouette over there. What animal could it be? It's a shepherd dog. Shepherd dog! Repeat after me. Shepherd dog. Their job is to guide and protect the sheep so they don't get lost. They understand many words and commands from humans. They are very loyal and love to play after work. Look! There's a silhouette over there. What animal could it be? It's a cat! Cat! Repeat after me. Cat. They have perfect balance and almost always land on their feet. They can see very well in the dark, as if they had built-in lights. They spend many hours of the day cleaning themselves with their tongue. Look! There's a silhouette over there. What animal could it be? It's a hen! Hen! Repeat after me. Hen. They lay eggs almost every single day. They talk to their chicks even before they hatch from the egg. They are distant descendants of dinosaurs. Look! There's a silhouette over there. What animal could it be? It's a ram! Ram! Repeat after me. Ram. He is the father of the sheep family. Their horns grow in a spiral shape and are very hard. They are very agile and can jump over rocks easily. Look! There's a silhouette over there. What animal could it be? It's a duck! Duck! Repeat after me. Duck. Their feet work like paddles to swim quickly. Their feathers are waterproof. They never truly get wet. They can sleep with one eye open to watch for danger. Look! There's a silhouette over there. What animal could it be? It's a bull. Bull. Repeat after me. Bull. They are very strong and protect the whole farm family. They have horns that they use to defend themselves. Even though they look grumpy, they love resting in the shade. Look! There's a silhouette over there. What animal could it be? It's a chick! Chick! Repeat after me. Chick. They are born from an egg after 21 days of staying warm. Their feathers are very soft and yellow when they are babies. They are very curious and always follow their mommy. Look! There's a silhouette over there. What animal could it be? It's a squirrel! Squirrel! Repeat after me. Squirrel. They hide thousands of nuts a year and sometimes forget where. That's how new trees grow. They are expert climbers. They can even run down trees head first. Look! There's a silhouette over there. What animal could it be? It's a rabbit! Rabbit! Repeat after me. Rabbit. Their teeth never stop growing, which is why they love to chew things. They can jump very high and do binkies in the air when happy. Look! There's a silhouette over there. What animal could it be? It's a rooster! Rooster! Repeat after me. Rooster. He is the farm's alarm clock. He crows when the sun comes up. He has very bright and beautiful colored feathers. Even though they have wings, they prefer walking and running on the ground. Look! There's a silhouette over there. What animal could it be? It's a mouse! Mouse! Repeat after me. Mouse. They are very sneaky and can fit through tiny holes. They use their whiskers to feel everything around them. They have a heart that beats very, very fast. Look! There's a silhouette over there. What animal could it be? It's a goose! Goose! Repeat after me. Goose. They are excellent guardians friends and warn others if a stranger arrives. They fly in a V shape when traveling with their family. They love being in the water and are very brave.